pace of work at the EVA Luxuria, the first phase of the residential project in the heart of Nasik. Thakkars developers have focused only on getting buyers and not investors for this project. As housing demand grows for the upcoming city, the demand is growing despite more and more realtors focusing on the affordable segment.
The buyers which we are targeting or segmenting in this all projects is not just mid-income, it is also luxury and mid-income both. And affordable, we are going to start up with a new project very soon in 2013, and that is going to target more of a affordable housing kind of a thing.
When construction is complete at the EVA Luxuria, the 3-bedroom apartment could look something like this. The apartment is spread over 1,072 to 1,275 square feet for the 2 and 3 bedroom options. The EVA Luxuria project comes with a whole host of amenities, including a swimming pool, gym and fitness center, jogging track, amphitheatre, party lawns and several others. For the elders, it also has a temple and a meditation hall. The other residential projects by Thakkars developers includes Indigo Park, a 1,900 square feet 3-bedroom apartment complex. Grandeur, which consists of 1,575 square feet 3-bedroom apartments. Enclave, 2-bedroom homes which are 875 square feet in area. A complex with independent bungalows for premium buyers and a separate project for affordable housing are also being planned in the near future. Thakkars Developments, which is building nearly 1,000 apartments across the city, says as demand picks up, their focus could also be tweaked.
Basically, mid-income is the fastest and demand is more for mid-income group. Affordable is also there, but we are providing houses with affordable price, mid-income houses with affordable price we are providing.
As the needs of the city change, the city administration and realtors are seeing a change in mind. Thakkars' focus on commercial complexes is also paying off.
We approached this ST department, Maharashtra State Corporation Department, and we requested them that you see you have a huge land and frontage can be exploited it for commercial use, and we can reconstruct your entire AC stand in this thing, and in BOT scheme it can be work well. It can cater the demand of the city of shopping, and it can renew your bus station as well. So we have given proposal to them, and we have created world-class specification bus station.
With a focus on commercial as well as residential projects, Thakkars are looking to bring about a change in the city. It is hoping that the trust gained during its 50-year history will help the company spread far and wide.